Around 80,000 people gathered in the capital to protest Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's judicial reform plans on January 14. One protester, Assaf Steinberg, said the government is trying to destroy the democratic structure of the Israeli state. Tens of thousands of Israelis demonstrated in 3 major cities on Saturday against Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's judicial reform plans, with organizers accusing him of undermining democratic rule weeks after his re-election. Bestriding a religious-nationalist coalition with a solid parliamentary majority, Netanyahu, now in his 6th term, wants to rein in the Supreme Court in what he has described as a restoration of the balance of the 3 branches of government. Critics say the proposed reforms would cripple judicial independence, foster corruption, set back minority rights, and deprive Israel's court system of credibility that helps fend off war crimes allegations abroad. Among those opposed are the Supreme Court Chief Justice and the country's Attorney General. After President Isaac Herzog appealed to polarized politicians to lower the temperatures of the debates, organizers of the demonstrations held under chilly winter rain sought to strike a note of national unity. Take an Israeli flag in one hand, an umbrella in the other, and come out to protect democracy and law in the State of Israel, said centrist ex-defense minister Benny Gantz, who attended the Tel Aviv rally but, like other opposition figures, was not due to address it.